Hi, I'm Michael White, owner of Four Season Lawn Care. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use a push mower as a mulcher. Here is what's important. First, we want to engage the clutch. Then we want to pull the rope to start it. And then on this particular brand, we push down to engage. And then we're mowing. Now, the importance of making a push mower a mulcher is the blade, because what you want to do is get a mulching blade. This is what's going to mulch all the grass clippings where they're spinning up in the top of the mower, constantly throwing them up and mulching them. And the purpose of that is so that these grass blades go back into the soil so that they supply nutrients to the grass. That's the difference between a mulching mower and one that discharges it out to the side. You've got to first have a good mulching blade. The side chute must be closed so it mulches it, and then it'll discharge it back into the lawn. And that's how you use a push mower as a mulcher. I'm Michael White with Four Season Lawn Care, and we put the care back in lawn care.